Today we are going to be making a kazoo. Because I need one for a song I'm making with my daughter Fiona, who's in Denmark. And living in the jungle, we don't have kazoos growing on the trees, but we have bamboo growing on the trees. So we should make it from that, or water pipe, or whatever. So I hope you enjoy this video. What you're going to need is some bamboo. When you get your bamboo, if you live in a jungle, it's easy. You just go over there and take a piece, you know. And if you live in the city, then you can get water pipe quite easily. So you get a piece of bamboo and then you cut it anywhere here. But on one side, keep one of the segments, because that will keep it and make it a lot stronger. And if you cut both the segments off, so you just have a piece in the middle like this, it tends to split and break. So if you want your kazoo to last any kind of time, then do this. But then you will have to drill a hole in the end here. But you have to drill a hole here anyway, so you'll have a drill ready. So the first thing I'm going to do is drill my hole here so I can blow through, because now I can't blow through it. It's a bit of a small hole, so I will just upsize it. It's always good to drill a pilot hole first. This is all done by eye. Maybe there are some super kazoo specifications, but we're doing it jungle style. So I'm just going to, like, you know, if you want to be anal about it, then maybe like a thumb distance, and then put the hole here. So we'll do that right now. But there's my first small hole. This is about a centimetre. You might want to just scrape a little bit the edges off. I have a pair of scissors to do that right here. Just, you know, clean that up a little bit. Because you want it to be kind of flat. And anything you can't trim off, then you can just push in. Anyway, this is just fun. Fast. Then you get a piece of plastic bag, right? So I'm sure everybody has a piece of plastic bag lying around. Even though you shouldn't have, you should have moved to cloth bags by now. But anyway, plastic bag, and you're just going to wrap it around like this. And then if you live in Thailand, your kitchen drawer is going to be full of little elastic bands like this from your carry-away food, take-home food. So you just get one elastic band and put it in front of the hole here. Then you take another elastic band and you put it on the other side of the hole. And there's your ukulele, I was going to say. There's your kazoo. You might have to adjust it sometimes, because if it's too tight or too floppy, then it won't vibrate. This one I've adjusted a little bit more than this one. So, that's how you make a ukulele. Ukulele? I've got ukulele stuck in my head. This is a ukulele. This is not a ukulele. This is a kazoo. You can also use different sizes. Oh yeah, let's get to this one. This one is just one of these, bamboo, toilet paper. You can use a toilet paper roll thing in the middle of a toilet paper, a kitchen roll, cut it in half, whatever. And I experimented with some tin foil. If you do this, you have to put a little hole here to let the air come out. Otherwise, you blow and it comes back in your face. So again, that's just get a tube, tin foil or plastic bag, elastic band. There is no hole in this one yet, but I'm just going to leave a little gap between my mouth. How long did that take? 10 seconds. So, if you want to get like funky with it, you can get little three-way connections for water pipes. So it's like this, and then one going up here and one going on there. And if you stick that on here, so you'd have a little pipe sticking up the top. Then you could wrap your plastic bag or tin foil on top of that, and it would look more like a kazoo. You can also heat this up on the fire and squash it flat. So it's more easy to put in your mouth. I think I'll do that actually and make a little video of that. Cut to me doing what I just said I was going to do. So I'm just going to warm this. I don't want to burn it. Just want to melt it so it's soft. It starts to get soft. Okay, let's try that. To here.
Make sure this is off.
And then go squish.
No, let me just shut off.
Okay, and squish. Okay, sometimes you just have to hold it for a second. Okay, so this is now being restricted. I'm not going to put that in my mouth right now because I'll probably burn my lips off. And I'll just go back over there, make the holes, and see how this one sounds. Gunk off here. You can make it a lot nicer when you're doing it. This is just, I'm just showing you like the steps involved. And if you want to make it really nice and paint it and sand it off, and it's up to you. I don't have a piece of plastic. I have a piece of plastic. How many kazoos could you make from all that plastic waste in the world? There's a solution to your plastic waste problem. Make kazoos. So I'm just going to put that on there. This I'm going to double over. Put it on this one. The moment of truth. Actually, that feels a lot better. Actually, it sounds quite good, this one. So, which one sounds best? Comments below. This week's giveaway. If you want to be the proud owner of one of these kazoos, I haven't decided which one yet, but I'll send you one of them. All you have to do is subscribe, and in the comments, if you're already subscribed, then just make a comment. Leave a comment saying why I should send you this kazoo. Right? That's all you have to do, and I'll send it to you at my expense. How nice is that? So, yeah, kazoo.
We're in the jungle.